And I'm Todd Carley. What would you do if your housing cost more than doubled?
23 ABC's John Genovese joins us now live on the east side, where residents in one apartment complex say that's exactly what's happening, and they don't know why. John.
Yeah, Todd and Jackie, an attorney for Woodlane Apartments, told me this all has to do with a low-income housing contract. Apparently it wasn't renewed, and now residents are dealing with the consequence.
We're all going to be homeless.
Hannah Joseph has lived at Woodlane Apartments for almost 20 years. Rachel West has lived there 4 more.
It was a blessing to be able to live in a place where we could be helped.
Help that may quickly be running out.
But all of a sudden, we got this notice that HUD is no longer subsidizing this particular complex.
Both women paid subsidized rent at Woodlane, which up until October had a contract with HUD, the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development.
That we're not getting an explanation, at least an explanation. It's just, you're gone. 2 months, that's it.
Their management company sent out a letter stating that HUD is refusing to renew their contract, but it's unclear why. Come April 1st, residents will either have to begin paying market rate for their apartments or move out. In Hannah's case, that'll cost her almost 2.5 times more.
I'm going to start packing. I'm trying to get some friends to bring me boxes.
An attorney for Genesee Management, which operates Woodlane, sent us this statement. It reads, quote, HUD, please turn the Section 8 back on, referring to Woodlane's housing status. Complexes with HUD contracts are typically reimbursed monthly for the majority of a tenant's rent, something that, in this case, hasn't been happening for 4 months. Because they're losing so much money, the complex had to make a tough decision.
It's going to be hard, but what choice do we have?
As for Hannah,
we don't want to be angry about this. We don't want to be, resentful over this or critical about anybody or anything. It's just a situation we're in, and maybe somebody can help.
Now, we did reach out to some HUD officials for comment. They told me they did receive some paperwork from Woodlane, but it remains unclear why that contract was never renewed. Todd and Jackie, back to you.